Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to add CP plus CP E29A camera in your mobile. Okay, let's start the video. First, sign in software EasyCam Plus. Okay, type here email address. I am already create account in this ID. Okay, after this, type here password. Okay, after type password, agree and type on login. Okay. Now tap on plus device list. Okay. Tap on setting. Open location here. Okay. After this, select Wi-Fi. Type here Wi-Fi password. Be careful. Network will be same. Camera and mobile. Okay. Scroll down. Select here camera. CPE29A. After this, tap on next. Type here password. Okay. Tap on continue with current network. Now I scan QR in mobile from camera. After this, camera is adding in mobile. Okay, camera is added. Now you check camera added successful. Okay, model is CPE29A. Now tap on done. Okay, now tap on camera. Please wait while camera is loading for live view. It's take a time depend upon internet speed. Okay, now you see established. Camera is on screen. Okay, now check rotation also here. Tap on direction. Okay, tap on direction. Tap on down. Tap on up. Tap on down. Tap on right, left. What you want.